Hey, this is Lauren from Kinsey Lo, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a little fun hair video talking about all of our favorite hair products and styling tools, and we might show how we actually curl our hair and any tips and tricks we have.
Exactly. And you might be asking, why are we doing a hair video in Katie's bed? And the answer to that is that we waited too long to film today and it's dark.
So this is where the lighting is, so this is what you get today.
Really high tech from us. We both have really different hair types.
Yeah.
Maybe we should talk about hair types first.
I think we should. My hair type, I have a lot of fine hair. Mm-hmm. So it's really fine and it goes flat really quickly. The natural texture of it is frizzy and a slight curl, but not like a cute curl. Not like, oh, I'm gonna wear my hair natural and look so cute. It's just kind of like, there's a curl under here, but then this is sticking out. So I usually don't wear it natural. But it's really fine and it doesn't hold curl well, and it sometimes just sticks to my head because it's so flat. That's essentially the gist of it.
Your square-shaped head.
Oh, yes, my square-shaped head.
I can't. And then my hair is very different than Katie's.
Very.
I wish it was like that. I have a lot of hair and it's really thick. And I kind of describe it as it has like 3 different hair types all in one, if that even makes sense.
That's so special.
It's really special. I call myself Hagrid sometimes. Like, I have Hagrid hair. That's how special it is. The bottom layer is like really curly, kind of kinky and wiry. Sometimes it's pretty and has curls, but other times it's like dreadlocks, which is fun. So we love that. And then the middle layer, I would say, is like pretty wavy, and that's probably the prettiest part. Like if I'm air drying my hair and like I decide to be a monster for the day, or like a prettier monster. That's the pretty part. And it's just wavy and thick. And then the top layer is straight, which is weird, but it's like a really not that much of my hair is straight. So hopefully you never see me with my natural hair ever in real life, because it's not the best. But the products that I do use help me manage my hair, and then also like cuts down time when I'm styling it. So
cool.
Okay.
Okay, so should we jump into products?
Yes.
I feel like we should start with shampoo and conditioner, because that's the...
Let's do that.
Okay. My shampoo and conditioner, I'm really not that picky, so I'm not going to show you a specific one, because I kind of just... When I'm done with one, I'll try a new one. I usually go for something volumizing and sulfate-free. Those are my 2 criteria.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So that's it?
Yeah, and I wash my hair every other day.
Okay.
Trying to keep it healthier. It does, like...
Yeah.
I can get split ends. I mean, everyone can, so...
Yeah, totally.
I just try to keep it as healthy as possible.
Yeah. Okay, so I do have to use specialty shampoo and conditioner because my hair sucks. For like about 2 months-ish now, I've been using the Way shampoo and conditioner for curly hair. It's specially formulated for curly hair, and it just says curl on the bottles. I like this because, first of all, you always use more shampoo than conditioner.
Yeah, always.
And look how much bigger the shampoo bottle is than the conditioner.
Wait, let me see.
Do you see that?
Finally, someone figured it out. That's genius.
I know! Because it's like you never... Like, I hate when you run out of one thing and then...
Oh, I'm always buying shampoo before I'm buying conditioner.
Right. So I feel like that's awesome.
Wow.
They go really well together. I haven't tried, like, separating them. But the smell is, like... Because sometimes fragrance bothers people.
Oh, that's not bad. That bothers me all the time.
Yeah. So I don't know. It's like a fresh and clean scent.
Yeah.
But what I really like about it is it definitely helps define my curls. So that kind of scary underlayer.
The dreadlocks are a little bit more tamed.
Exactly. And also it helps with frizz, which I like. I would love if it helped with like the manageability a little bit more. Like it does make my hair really soft, but it doesn't quite like detangle. That's like the only thing I wish that this had. But honestly, like loving this, and I've tried a lot of different shampoos and conditioner. I mean, I tried the freaking L'Oreal Kids shampoo. So I really, really like it, and I think the whole line is pretty good. But the curly, the reviews are really good on Sephora, and that's why I kind of just went for it. But I'm loving it. I'll probably repurchase it too.
Nice.
So yeah. And I wash my hair every other day too.
Okay.
Can't talk today. Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about products that we put on our hair wet. So,
Yes.
like, I blow dry my hair. Lauren usually does not because of poof factor.
Ugh.
So, I have to blow dry my hair. So, the first thing I do when I get out of the shower is I use the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. And it's like a detangler, and it has like heat protectant, and it's just like, it's good for your hair.
Yeah.
So I really like this. I spray it on my hair, and then I brush it out, and then my tip for when I have 2 cowlicks in the front of my hair right here, and I naturally have a square head, so like when those are in full form, it's really not cute. So when I blow dry my hair, the front section has to be wet so I can kind of tame everything. And so I usually let my hair towel dry a lot of the way, so I'm not, just blowing heat on it for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
But I always make sure I get this front section wet again so I can make sure that I'm taming down the cowlicks. And then
Sounds really complex.
Anyway. And then I use the Kristen S Instant Thickening Spray. You can get this at Target. I think it's the only place I sell it. It's really good. I really like this. And I spray it. I probably use way more than you're supposed to. But I spray it like everywhere. I go through my hair and I like lift up sections and just like spray. And then I spray it all over. And then I brush it through again. And then I blow dry my hair upside down to get maximum volume out of everything that I'm doing. And then it still ends up this flat. So.
What hairbrush do you use?
Oh, I use a wet brush. I love it. I think it's great. Doesn't pull on your hair. Does like, honestly, there are better brushes for detangling, I will say.
Mm-hmm.
But I like that it doesn't pull on my hair, and I find enough hair that I don't have issues with it.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Is that it?
That's it.
Wow.
And then I blow dry.
It's amazing. I'm jealous of people who can blow dry. I have really, like, my hair right now, it did not used to be like this. It's just like, it's so tangly. Like, I can't. Like, I cannot. So the brush that I use is a Tangle Teaser, and it's literally the only hairbrush I can use. If you don't know what it looks like, it basically just fits in the palm of your hand. It doesn't have a handle on it. And I have the one that's like special for thick hair. Fun fact, one of my best friends, her dog has that brush. So, me too. I have curly dog hair. That's basically what it is. So, when I get out of the shower, I will put on this, which, okay, I might be cheating because, like, I literally got this last week, but don't get it twisted, okay? This is so good. I wish I'd found it.
Well, sometimes you find life-changing products, Well,
and it's already working. I'll just take the wand and I will put it in my hand. And this is the Youth Enhancing Sake Essence Rejuvenating Elixir by OGX. I probably put like a quarter-sized amount. And I'll just run it through my hair, really focusing on the ends. And then this is helping detangle my hair and really is helping with frizz. After the first wash that I used it, Katie was like, your hair looks really good.
Oh, I did say that,
Yeah, it was this. I swear. So that's awesome. And then, I probably do this like, I do it pretty rarely. Like if I have an event or something. Mm-hmm. This is the Living Proof, I guess it's no frizz, Nourishing Styling Cream. It looks like this. Basically, I just apply it to my ends, and it almost, I don't know, like it does help with frizz, but it does make it really smooth and shiny, and it kind of like reminds me of like when you get a fresh haircut, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So if I have an event or something, I'll use this. But then yeah, I have to air dry my hair.
Okay, so now we're going to be talking about our heat styling tools because it's a pretty crucial part of the hairstyling process for us.
For sure.
Yes. So my first thing is I use the T3 hair dryers. It's good. I mean, I just like T3 hair dryers. I think they're great. So.
And so pretty. Hello.
Oh yeah, rose gold and white, super aesthetically pleasing. Sorry about the cord, but my flat iron I use is just it's the GHD Platinum. I really like GHD flat irons. I think they just work really well, and this heats up super quickly. And it has one of those auto shutoffs, so if you leave it on for like 20 minutes and you're not touching it, it'll turn off and not burn your house down. So that's always a plus.
That's important.
Right. And then for curling iron, I use a 1.5-inch curling iron. This is like a vintage Conair. My mom has had short hair for about 12 years now, but when she had long hair, this is what she used for about 5 years before.
No way.
Yeah, so this is like a 17-year-old curling iron.
Oh, hey, it
But
lasts
it
a long
is
time.
like, I've tried, Hot Tools is good too. It's like if you need a curling iron of this day and age, Hot Tools. But this Conair one is like my pride and joy. This is the greatest thing ever.
Okay, so could not be more different with mine. I normally curl my hair, and it just kind of helps like enhance my natural waves and curls. I used to straighten it every day in middle school. It takes me 20 minutes to curl my hair, and it takes me like 45 minutes to an hour to straighten it. So you can see why I tend to do this little situation. But I use Conair U-Curl. I like this because I like can't figure out the clamp. I don't want that. But also, this is tapered if you can't tell, and I need that. This probably sounds really weird, but I'll just straighten the top of my hair because it's crazy. So I do that, and then I'll curl it. But I use the Remington. I think it's just the red one.
I use the red straightener.
The red. I think they might have a purple one, and that's why I'm saying this one.
Oh, okay.
This is everything. One, because it's not that expensive.
Yeah.
It's lasted forever. And you'd be surprised how hard it is to find one that's this wide.
Yeah.
But with how much hair I have, especially if I'm straightening my whole head, that would just take me 5 million years. So this is awesome.
Probably the most I have two that are like super crucial. The first one is one that I've recently found within the past few months, and it's by Matrix, and it's the Mineral Rough Me Up, and it's a sea salt spray. So what I do, after I've curled my hair, I flip my head over, shake it out, and then I'll take this and I don't spray it onto my hair. I spray it in my hand, and I rub my hands together, and I like scrunch everything up. And I do that because I found that if you spray a salt spray on your hair, you get patches of like pieces being really crunchy, and you can see like it looks like a little branch or something. Like it's not good. So I really like spraying it in my hair, and I have found that this, especially this one, really makes my curls last. Then for dry shampoo, I use the Dove Volume 1. I love this stuff. So I'll spray this on my hair clean or dirty, just for volume purposes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't really use hairspray unless I'm trying to control flyaways, because I just don't love it. But when I do, I just use the Tresemme like normal hairspray.
That's a classic. My main thing is I want it to be like as weightless as possible, and then also frizz. I've been using this for so long, but it's the Verb Ghost Oil. I will put this on my hair when it's dry, obviously, before I'm styling it, before I go in with my straightener to do the top of my hair. Mm-hmm. And it's just really good. It kind of just makes sure everything's like sealed in. The Warden Maximum Hold Hairspray by Dry Bar. This is the best hairspray out there if you need hold. It is super firm hold, like it says. I just like don't really ever have to touch up my hair, which like is pretty.
That's lovely.
I usually would have to touch it up. This is Chlorane dry shampoo with oat milk. No. Mm-hmm. I know.
Extra bougie.
But okay, I love oat milk in my coffee. And I kind of was just like, honestly, this sounds fun. And it was $10.
You're like, I love this in my coffee, so it's going to be great
in my hair. This is really, really good. And it doesn't show a lot of white when you use it.
That's great. Okay, so those were all of our favorite hair products and the tools and techniques that we use to style our hair. Mm-hmm. If you have any questions, or anything like that, let us know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe.
And if you like more videos like this, make sure you give it a good thumbs up. And we will see you guys next time.